Hello. So I imported the car into Rhino and I created a surface, rectangular surface, and we'll hide this so that we see this rectangular surface. Yeah. So we'll move it. Approximately center. Okay, and then we'll start grasshopper. Keeping the surface selected, we'll insert surface and set one. So this surface is selected already. So we need a hexagonal mesh on it. We have one predefined one, so we'll just connect it. You see, we already got the hexagons. So now we need to control the number of hexagons. See, okay, and now we need to adjust the shape. Let's increase it. I think this should be okay. Alright, and then we want these curves to be projected onto the surface, so we will insert the surface box. Oh no, we need intersect. Okay, intersect surface split. Yep, and we're going to use the same surface and the curves that we generated, and then we'll bake it, and we got our hexagons. And we'll create one more surface and select this, we'll hide, and then we can select this surface and this surface and this surface. We'll hide it. We don't need this one and this one. Hide it as well. And then we'll select all the surface, set multiple. Yep, and then we isolate it, select all, and then hide. Yep, now that we got the hexagon pattern, then we need center points and points everywhere in the edges. For that, we need to insert surface centroid. We got the center points, and then we need edges as well, so we got our edges as well. Okay, and then we want the center point to be moved along y-axis. So for that, we'll set move geometry Y unit, and then we insert 5. Let's say okay. Yep. And then we need to have lines joining to the center. For that we need to insert curves. Connect these curves to this, and from curves we need to make extrusion points, and connect this to this and this to this. It's we need to guide this, so let's see. See, flatten, no, it's not working. Reverse, no, take off the reverse. Grab. Okay, so draft is working. Yep. And now let's see in the 3 space. This value is very less, so I'll just increase it like 10. Oh, still in. Let's say 30. That's too much already. Yep, at least it is visible now. So now what we do is we select all except this, and then we hide. This thing is not hiding, so select this manually and hide that one. Now we can clearly see this. Yeah. Now we need to rotate these surfaces individually across y-axis. For that we need to insert and we're going to use the edges, so we'll bring this up, and then we want to move the edges along y-axis, so we'll bring rotate axis, and we want the faces to rotate, and we want list of items, all the edges, and we want the index to be like 10. Let's say we'll connect this to this. Okay, so we need to select this and hide. Okay, now you can see they are rotating along their axis. This can be controlled. Maybe we'll just delete this and then 0 less than 2.00, let's say. We are going to control the axis, so 90. We need to rotate the surface. I think this is a lot of angle to it. It's like this. Make it to 5, let's say. No, 5 is more. Let's say 0 less than 5. That's more as well. Okay, then we'll set 0 less than 2.00. So I think 1 should be enough, or let's see in the front view. Point 0.6 should be enough, so I'll go select this, I'll delete 0 less than 0.6, nah, 0.70, let's say. Then connect it. Yep. Nice. And now we need to make okay, this can be adjusted, no problem. We'll just make it here, somewhere here, and then okay, maybe we'll increase the angle. 0 less than 1.50. Okay, now I will just make it to 1. 0 less than 1.00. Okay, so now we need to make pipes. For that we need to insert curves. Insert curves from this box. Maybe from here, and then we need to insert duplicate lines. Duplicate lines is here. We'll take this line and then we insert pipes. Set types. We want the caps to be round. We need to set radius to it, so we'll go for 0 less than 2.0. Missing something, huh? No, we can see. Yeah. Yes. Let's say we'll unhide all, and then select this surface which we don't need, hide that. Hide. Oi. Hide. Okay. Where is the grasshopper here? And then disable the display. Okay, now let's see how. Okay, that's all.